How to fix blue screen error on Windows? First step, disconnect the external devices. Shut down your device. If you are adding any external device means you need to disconnect it. After disconnect, turn on your device. Then move on with next step. Run system file checker. For this, search for command prompt. Right click run as administrator. Type the following text. Click enter and wait for some time. The process will take some time. It's actually verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. Once the verification complete, after exit it. Next step, click settings. Click system settings. Scroll down. Click recovery settings. Click it. In advanced startup, click restart now. It can fix damaged system files and other startup problems. Click restart now. Next step, check free disk space. Open this PC. The C drive have enough memory space. Make sure it is not almost completely full. Right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Successfully scanned, no error were found. Close it. Then move on with next step. Open run and type the following text. mdsched.exe. Type it and click OK. Windows memory diagnosis appear. In this, click restart now and check for problems. Click it. Once complete, after move on with next step. Click settings. Click system settings. Scroll down. Click recovery settings. If none of the problems are not working means the last and final step, click reset PC. Choose an option depends on you and follow the instruction given. Depends on you, you can choose an option and follow the instruction. Thank you.